And you wish that the court should rely on that toy pistol as an exhibit? Your Honor, I pray that the toy pistol be marked as PMFI 20. PMFI 20. And in the course of your investigations, you referred to a Tokarev pistol. And the rounds of ammunition. Your Honor, the same was marked as PMFI 2. PMFI 2, Your Honor. Your Honor, the same was marked as PMFI 3. And lastly, confirm to the court whether or not when the recovery of these items you have marked or referred to made, you are present. Your Honor, I can, yes, can increase my voice. Please confirm to the court whether when these items were recovered, you are present or not. Your Honor, that will be all for this witness and be cross-examined.
Your Honor, I will ask a few questions. Can you give my Honor
Abari officer, you were there during the search. When? No, my question is when. If you answer my questions, it will be very fast. But if you create your own questions, it will take a long time. On which day? On 12th. So, 12th May. So, technically you are saying you searched on 13th in the morning. Because if you are saying it to 5 a.m., 5 a.m. is not 12, is it 5 a.m. 12th? So it was on 11th at night. 12th May at 5 a.m. So we were going to 13th. 13th May. On 12th. So you did it on 11th night.
Your Honor, I believe the question has been answered.
No, Your Honor, this is a critical question because the charge sheet talks of 12th. He is now telling us they did that on 11th.
Yes, Your Honor, but I want the court to note that the question has been answered.
You're not court.
Yes.
Your Honor, the court is very able to discern when a question is answered or not. So, it is your testimony that you did it on 12th night, not on 11th at night. Yes. So it was 12th at the 5:30 a.m. Around 6 a.m. What time did you conclude the search?
Concluded the search around 6 a.m.
Around 6 a.m. That is now on 12th May 2023. Now, how many were you? How many were the police officers? But you confirmed there was Nakuru North, Nakuru East. And Nakuru East. They were also from Nairobi. They were officers from Nairobi. Where did Asman come from? Asman. You didn't have an officer called Asman? No, did you have an officer in the search team called Asman? You didn't have. Would you be surprised if you find he's one of the witnesses? Yes. You are sure? Okay. It's Atumani. Atumani Asman. Atumani Asman. No, it's okay. It's okay. Let us move on. Now, Samson. You know your name has a great meaning in the Bible. Are you aware? Or you have never read the Bible? So you have a duty to say the truth. Yeah, now, confirm that on the material day, that's on 12th, when you went for that search, you did not find Mine and Jenga Kamunya in the premises. You did not. No, I'm saying you confirm that you did not. And you confirm that this statement that you have written, dated, I don't know when you dated it, is yours. The statement, kindly if you can show him this statement, if you can confirm that that is his statement. I want you to confirm that is your statement and your signature at the end. But you can look at the content very quickly. So that is your statement. Yes, and you are aware of the provisions that underpin Article 144 of the Constitution, which creates the police service. That you have to be responsible, transparent, and accountable. And you are also aware of the provisions of Article 10, 2E of the Constitution. That whatever you do as a public officer, you have to be transparent, accountable, and with integrity. You are aware? Now, you've confirmed to us that Maina and Chenga was not present. If you read for me count 1, you have the counts there, you have the charge sheet there. Count 1 to 7. Count 1 to 7 from page 1. Just gross through. Count 1 to 7. Yes. But you can run through up to count 7. They are all about the organized crime. Yes, they are about organized crime. Engaging in an organized crime. Can you engage in an organized crime without being present?
Can you or not can you?
No. Answer my question. Reading those charges, you've confirmed that Maina Njenga was not there. Now, those charges and particulars say he was engaging and meeting. Can you meet and engage in a crime where you are not present? Just answer the question. you able to answer my question or you are not? You know, it's a straightforward question. You are a learned police officer.
Presumably.
From your testimony.
Presumably.
You look very exposed and enlightened. Can you engage in a crime without your presence? No. That is good enough. Read count 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. They talk of possession. Possession of firearms. Yes. Count 9. Yes. Count 10. Imitation firearm. Count 11. Government stores. So I want to ask you one question concerning all those counts. I don't want to go one by one, but I want to guillotine. Ask one question that affects all of them. Can you be in possession of government stores or mutated ammunition or a firearm? If you are not present, you cannot. Okay. Now, let us go to I want you to go to the investigation diary. It is there, it's the next. Yeah, look at the OP numbers. There are several. There are about the 10 OP numbers. OP number 2, OP number 13, OP number 17, OP number 16, and OP number 18. In all of those OPs and the activities involved, do they mention John Maina Chenga? You don't mention him at all. Now, I want to take you to Njoro. Did you attend the search at Njoro? No. It's a straightforward question. If you did, I'll ask you questions. If you did not, I'll move on. You never attended, eh? Okay. Now, are you the one who wrote letters to the Registrar of Societies? Are you the one who obtained a court order for miscellaneous? Who is Wesley Langat? He was the leader of the operation. I want you to open his witness statement. It is the second one in the bundle. You read the seventh and the last sentence, where we marked NP behind it. I can show you, if you bring the booklet, I can show you very fast. Sorry, Your Lordship, just a second, we show him the proper page so that he can give us some answers. We want to appreciate what we have. Yes. You read the third paragraph and the last paragraph, where the highlighted one, where I've written with a red pen behind NP. That is explaining when you were planning the raid. Now, read that statement where he's saying you are going to recover illegal drugs and you are going to recover illegal arms. That sentence. Yes, yes, yes. So start where it says, start from interrogate your aim. Your aim was, the brief was, read from there, the brief was. Yeah, that is the question. Illegal drugs and illegal weapons they are in. Before the search, how did you people know that there were illegal drugs and illegal firearms?
Your Honor, I cannot comment on another person's statement.
No, what I'm asking is, your name is Samson. You are a Christian. You carry a Bible to church. So how did you know, unless you are a prophet, that there were illegal arms and illegal drugs before raid?
Your Honor,
Before the raid.
cannot comment on this.
No.
But you were part of the team.
Let me not comment on the statement of Maya.
But you can see it is a lie.
Let me not comment on this.
Okay. Now read the last sentence also, where it says, interrogate the occupants, conduct search, onwards, read there.
Interrogate and arrest gang members, detain and seize illegal drugs for weapons bearing.
You know, illegal drugs they are in. How did you, 20 officers, how could you know that there were illegal drugs on 11th? Isn't it? You started your preparation on 11th. You knew there were illegal drugs. You knew there were illegal arms. And then you wait until 13th. That is over 72 hours later.
Your Honor, in the nature of operations in police work and civilians, we gather intelligence from their members of the public of goodwill who can share their, and as I stated in my statement, this was not brief, that there was an intelligence that there were members gathered in that homestead process for this to be members of the organizations.
Who gave you the intelligence?
Mr. Langat would be the person who was
No, my friend. These days we have got Witness Protection and the Victim Protection Act. They protect all witnesses. So tell us how you are the source of information. You are not telling us names. What was the source of your information?
I give the police information where now Mr. Langat being saying that he was the person bringing us to where we were. So I cannot manage being an inspector to know where Mr. Langat is.
No. What exact brief? When you are being briefed, these days you have mobile phones, isn't it? And you go with them to your meeting room. So a brief that as important as this is also documented. What was the brief?
The Honor, the brief was that we were to conduct an operation within this area of Photocopy. There was an intelligence report that some people or some persons were gathered in a homestead and were believed to be members of an organization.
Did you liaise with the area chief? Area chief.
The Honor, has been out the part of the
Now you are talking of an illegal organization. Do you have the Gazette notice that has proscribed that organization? Do you have the Gazette notice that has proscribed that organization to make it illegal? You do not have the illegal notice. What makes an organization illegal?
Your Honor, an organization can be armed illegal when it's it poses danger to the safety of the public, Your Honor, according to my understanding.
Yes. Sometimes floods come and they are a danger to public. Is that an illegal process?
Floods can be an organization.
No, it's an activity that comes. Yeah, and can you describe that as an illegal activity? So when people are meeting, or if people meet for a church service, for a wedding, or for celebration of a birthday party, is that an illegal meeting? It's not an illegal meeting. So did you do any background check about this alleged meeting? No. Did you do a background check? Because you are an outside Nakuru. Do you attend security meetings for the sub-county? You never attended any security meeting. So you have no brief on what is the situation on the ground in Nakuru North. So now, just on the basis of suspicion that there is a meeting and you have no background, then you conclude it's an illegal meeting, people want to commit a crime. But as a trained officer, if you want to Kiganjo, so you are trained on how prima facie you establish a case. Yes. There are guidelines.
From my experience, the persons who are in charge are the persons who are responsible for deducing from their indemnity whether those were actually for intelligence or not.
No, what I'm asking is this. During the search, you arrested 8 people. Did you inform them on what offense you were arresting them?
They were informed, Your Honor.
Where, at what stage did you inform them?
At the stage of after they installed within the buildings, Your Honor, they were interviewed by Mr. Langat, Your Honor. They were considered informed of what they were facing there.
You interviewed them in situ. You interviewed them at the scene. Where did you interview them?
Your Honor, they were informed by Mr. Langat of our presence as the reason as to where we were at this place.
No. That is not what I'm asking. I'm asking upon arresting them. Because you told us after the search, you arrested 8 persons. Did you explain to them why you were arresting them? The offense?
Your Honor, they were explained to.
Where is the note explaining to them what had happened? Do you have anything? Now, you talk of items recovered in the compound. Can you tell us the items which were recovered in the buildings in the compound? Mm-hmm.
The items that I personally saw being recovered are the ones I stated, the 6 rolls of bank, police pistol, and the operating pistol. After now going to the basement where the injury was going on, there were other items.
To the basement?
The first ground floor of the building, there were other items that were brought there by other officers that had been recovered from within the compound.
So it is your testimony that the tobacco was not recovered in the house, and the sticks,
They were not recovered in the house.
where were they recovered?
I don't know, Your Honor, because I stated categorically of what my husband said that other officers were sent to the adjacent buildings in the compound. I was among the officers who were sent to the buildings.
This house as a sitting room. Sorry. You created 3 teams. One was in charge of security, securing the place. One was headed by you. And where was your team?
Your Honor, when we arrived at the gates of the buildings, that's when now Mr. Langat made a decision for other officers to be on the northern perimeter. Some were directed to the other buildings.
So how many teams were you?
The one which went to
How many teams were you?
the
4 teams. What was the role of each team? Let us assume your team was team A. What was your role?
it was such a building equipment, and the other one was the security.
Who was the head of the second team? The one in charge of buildings outside. Who was in charge? You can't remember. Now, this house as a sitting room. You've gone and met some visitors who were there. The main house, yes, I'm talking of the main house. So the main house was empty. There was nobody inside. No, answer my question. There was nobody in the main house when you entered. Yes. So you are the people who introduced the 8 suspects to the main house. Now my question is this: in the main house, what was the illumination of light? Eh? You can't remember. So how possible was it that you were so keen, you were able to see at the bottom base of the wardrobe when you can't remember what was the level of light in the building? No. My question is, how did you see the base of the wardrobe if you can't remember the level of light that was in the house? Which light were you using? You don't remember what it was. You don't remember what it was. Okay. Now, does the house have a dining area? Yes. Answer my question. Because you did a search. You did not see a dining. Does the house have a kitchen area? You did not bother to look at it. Why were you so focused on specific areas? Base of the wardrobe, stairs, first bedroom, and you could not even see that the house had a kitchen or it had a dining. No, it's a specific area because you had planted, or part of your team, the 4 teams, some had gone there specifically to plant those items. Now, I want you to look at this booklet. Look at this. I want you to look at this photograph. And I will ask you a few questions.
Where are the original ones? Give us the original ones. Get the original ones. Give us the original ones.
Do you have the photos?
Yes.
If you have the photos, we can use the original ones. But meanwhile, be looking at this as they get the original ones.
They are not clear. You say they are not clear.
I want you to look at the photo with a pillow and something which appears like a toy.
Just give us. We know what do you want. Even for us.
Yes, I want you to look at that photo. Yeah, Honor, that is.
Senior. Cancel. We marked them. We are the ones who marked them.
We marked them, I think, Your Lordship. We marked them as DNA or something.
In the sequence of photos, from photo number 1 to 3, they flow all the way upwards. Number 12.
Number 12. It is photo number 12. I think 19, you are right. Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Look, yeah, look at photo number 12, Samson. I want you to confirm that in your statement, you have not described it as the flower. Today you have said that it is a flower piece, it's a flower pillowcase. I want you to confirm that those words are not in your statement. Yes, they are not. Those ones you manufactured today. Because you are very creative, that's what I realized. So those ones just came about today. But they are not in your statement. They are not in your statement. No, you have answered my question. Wait until I ask you a question. So you confirm that you forgot that in your statement. Yeah, you forgot that. Now, I want you to look at that pillow. Look at it critically. Do you see an opening of that pillow? Yes, do you see an opening? There is no opening. So there is nowhere where a gun can be hidden. No, there is no other photo. That is the only photo we are interrogating. I want you to unpack it for us so that we understand it. No, I want you to focus on that one first. Don't create your own questions. I want you to answer my questions. In regards to photo number 12, you confirm that in that photo, when you look at it as a layman or you look at it physically, there is no opening. No, on the photo. Agreed. What I'm saying, what we are able to see and discern from the photo is that there is no opening of the pillow. So there is nowhere where you can hide that pistol. In that pillow, in that photo. No, answer my question. But answer my questions first. You will give all the explanation during the exam. You confirm that there is nowhere where you can hide that pistol. The way the pillow is, there is nowhere you can hide it.
Answer yes or no.
Yeah, you can say so. It's okay. You will give me the other answers. Because it says, see previous leave. The previous leave is only police officers. So, where is your transparency, accountability, and the integrity? When you say, no, my friend, you are bound by the constitutional principles. When you say that there were civilians, when in actual fact you know there was no civilian, why were you lying? No, why were you lying? This is a document you gave us.
I'm not lying. I don't intend to lie before court, Your Honor. There is an inventory, as I said, this is a photocopy of the court.
No, but my friend,
what we have.
as a senior officers who get salary from the taxpayer, why do you want to lie to fix a citizen who pay taxes for your salaries?
There's an inventory, Your Honor.
Do you have it in court? This is what we have. Do you have that? No, but do you have it, whatever you are saying, do you have it in court?
No, he's not referring to that.
You don't have it.
Give me that one.
Your Honor, that would be a significant departure from this process. It means you have two sets of documents. The ones supplied to the defense and the ones that I can see him looking at Mr. Mwenga to pick on him to look at. He is there in the witness stand. He can only rely on what he has been supplied with and what he has supplied us with. Where he wants to manufacture any document from cannot be allowed.
No, Your Honor, the bottom line is, these are documents we received from the prosecution. These are documents made by the police. We have nothing to do with them. These are police officers.
Yes.
He cannot even, but now he's confirming to us that only police officers went to the upstairs. So Mr. Samson, I'm calling you Samson deliberately because that's a Christian name. And there are Christian values which we espouse, all of us. So what I'm saying is, if you read James 5, verse 17, it says your no should be no, and your yes should be yes. So Samson, I want you to be Samson. You confirm that it is only police officers who went upstairs. Then why didn't you indicate any civilian? No, my friend.
Your Honor, perhaps I wonder why my friends, both Mr. Ondieki and the witness, are making heavy weather over something I think he has already admitted. A photocopy is a reflection of the original. So you can't say that we photocopied a half and not copy the other. If that is so, that's deception, and that's what is being told. You must. Sorry? No, the point I'm making, and I agree with you. What you have is a photocopy of the original. Period. If you are saying you did not photocopy the other front or the other part, then you must agree that you are misleading both the defense and the court. If those words are not polite enough, you are lying.
Okay. Samson, I think that is sufficient. The court will make its own observations. You said that you discovered a pistol upstairs, and you were all police officers who know how to handle a pistol. Okay, tell us the name of the civilians who were there. No, tell us even one name of a civilian. No, the watchman was David. Yes, where is he? There's nowhere where he went upstairs. So, in terms of recovery of the pistol, wherever you recovered it, did you test it at the scene? Huh? Did you lift fingerprints? Did you lift DNA to ascertain who has been holding it? You never did anything. Okay. Wesley Langat talks of Wainaina, that the items were handed over to Wainaina. And you have said that the items were handed over to Inspector Rupu. Yes. So who is saying the truth among the two of you? Yes, in the statement, if you open it there, he said he instructed Wainaina to prepare an inventory of all the items. But now you are saying the items were handed over to Rupu. No, but who took, you want to know the custody, the chain of custody of those items. Yes, that's why it is critical. You are the only one who was there, and we want honest and truthful testimony about what happened.
Your Honor, I'm saying the truth, at this point what I saw, that upon the recovery of these items, it was Inspector Rupu who was tasked with possession, being in possession of these recovered items.
Then you went downstairs. You went downstairs. There you isolated items recovered from the main house and items recovered from the compound. Can you tell us the items which were recovered from the compound?
The compound, Your Honor, I saw the tobacco, I saw 4 walking sticks, I saw the container with leads in the National Park. Yes, Your Honor, that's all I remember.
In your experience, is it a crime to have a national flag? You've grown in Kenya, and you know Kenya is an agricultural country, You know we grow potatoes, cassava, and other things. We also grow tobacco. Is it a crime to have tobacco? It's not a crime. There were some 4 sticks. Which kind of sticks? The Maasai sticks or something else? The walking sticks. Like this one or mine or which one?
A walking stick.
And my question to you, I'm an old man, I walk with my stick. Is it a crime to have a stick? So in a compound where you have 8 people, is it a crime to have 4 sticks? Are you criminalizing age? So, I want you to confirm you discovered 2 vehicles in the compound, and it's not a crime to own vehicles. And when people come to visit you, they can come by motorbike, bicycle, or by vehicle, or they can even come by. Oh, yeah, let me use it. Yeah, let me use what Mheshimiwa has said. Now, please confirm. I got your testimony that there was a Lexus plug-in car KCR 555S. The other motor vehicle you said Toyota A19. A19. AE19. And it was K something. But I have Toyota vehicles. I have never seen a AE19 in all my life. I've never seen a AE19. I've heard of AE90, AE91, AE100, but I've never had AE19. This is a unique one. Do you have photos of the vehicle? So you are changing your testimony. So how many of the items you have testified are we going to change so that we know which is the proper position? Okay. Now, you also talked at the RCCO, RCCIO, and the county CCIO visited the homestead. In ordinary circumstances, because you are a good detective, when you do your investigations, are there occasions when the RCCIO and the CCIO join you in whatever work you are doing? But ordinarily, you prepare a report and submit to them so that they decide what action to take. But in this case, these are county senior officers who were coming to the scene. Don't you think there was an interest? Could they have been sent by Gachagua? Do you know who could have sent them? You don't know. But for them to come, somebody high up was pulling the strings. Okay. Now, I'm almost there, so that I'll give my friends a chance to go through. So, I go back to what you confirmed, that you, in respect to count 8 to 10, to 12 actually, you cannot possess when you are not present. naturally, yeah. Yeah, Your Honor, my learned colleague will take over from there.